All right, our new fuel pump, which is what this whole thing originally started out as, is now in. And Scotty's putting our new oil filter on. Yes, it's a Motorcraft. Because we are not.
And I got grease on your white stuff there, Mr. Joe. We will wipe you all nice and clean there, darling.
Oh boy.
There we go.
Scotty's having fun. So.
Well, I hate dirty white stuff. White stuff can never be dirty. It has to be clean, always.
Nice and crisp.
Crispy.
Oh, God. No. Absolutely not. Crossing the line. Over the line. Anyway, that's in. We got our hose in. And look, it magically clears. Once we go and tighten up our alternator, it's actually going to clear the bracket barely. It's not buried in it like it used to be. The old one was buried in it.
Okay, so oil pan is on. New drain plug.
Oh, yes, we did.
I'm sorry, new drain plug seal. Because the one that was on it was bad. That's done and taken care of. Everything's bolted up. Drive shaft is in.
Yep.
Apparently Joey liked it when I played with his drive shaft. I mean, his shaft. The thing with knobs on it. Yeah, the thing with knobs on it. Oh, boy.
Over the line again. But it's fun.
Bump.
So we're going to go.
And we got our new.
Oh, yeah, our sway bar.
Our sway bar bushings are in, which was needed.
And links.
Yep.
Ended up not being needed. I thought it was blown out over here. It ends up it was just dirty with grease. So.
See what happens when you get greasy schmegma on your shaft?
Yes. He's out of control today. We're going to wipe off this oily, greasy mess from when it was leaking. We're going to get that out of here quick. And we're going to set this down. We got to do our bump stops, which is a two-person ordeal with the way that's bolted. And we're going to put our fluids in.
Yep. Here, then, let me start getting everything ready to go down.
From what I hear, you always are ready to go down.
Well, we go up first in here.
Wow.
See, this is what we offer here. We're a full-service shop.
Jesus. Scotty, you are too much sometimes. Don't forget the locks on the other side. So yeah, we're going to let it down just to where it's easier to reach. We're going to put all our fluids in, and then we're going to do our bump stops. And then, guess what? It's test drive time. Oh, look.
Ready? We're going down, sir.
Maybe take the hammer out so it doesn't go through the transmission. Scotty, phone's ringing. Scotty's too busy going down. Watch your head.
And broom.
Broom? Oh, yeah, broom. Get the phone, too. Hey, it's an Andre!
Yes, 11.
On video.